Meaning of incommunicado.
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 Incommunicado. The term incommunicado refers to a state of being isolated or cut off from communication with others. This could be due to being imprisoned, being stranded in a remote location without means of communication, or voluntarily disconnecting from technology and social interaction. Incommunicado can have negative consequences on an individual's mental health and well-being, as it limits their ability to connect with others and seek help when needed. It can also lead to feelings of loneliness and despair. Therefore, it is important for individuals to maintain healthy communication and social connections to avoid becoming incommunicado.